Cars. Driving School. One day, Lightning McQueen and Mater heard a loud noise. Hot rods were racing into Radiator Springs. Their motors roared. The hot rods zipped past Luigi's shop. His oil can tower fell over. They zoomed past the cozy cone. They splashed mud all over the motel. The hot rods drove too fast. It was not safe. Sheriff stopped them. He sent the hot rods to driving school. Lightning and Mater were the teachers. The first lesson was about traffic lights. Red means stop. Green means go. Then Lightning told the hot rods not to drive too fast. The hot rods practiced driving at the right speed. Mater showed the hot rods how to pass other cars. They took turns. They used their blinkers. He even showed them how to drive backward. On the last day of driving school, the hot rods took a test. They all got A's. They passed driving school. They could drive in Radiator Springs again. The hot rods drove down Main Street. They stopped at the red lights. They drove slowly and made new friends. They had fun. But the hot rods still wanted to drive fast. Lightning and Mater had a surprise for them: the racetrack. The hot rods roared around the track. They zipped and zoomed. They all had a great time. Everyone was safe. The hot rods thanked Lightning and Mater. They were the best teachers ever.